Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Backup critical files so repairs are reversible. Launch services. MSC and locate Windows Security, Security Health, and related services to see status. This shows why the app is blank. Then open Task Manager, if Explorer. EXE is stalled, the UI may fail. Restart Explorer. EXE to refresh the shell. Once done, make sure services are set to automatic. Delayed start, so they load in correct order and reduce race conditions that cause the blank screen. You now repair core components because corrupted system files often break Windows security. Open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano to identify and repair protected files. This addresses missing DLLs or corrupted resources. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore the component store if SFC cannot. Once those finish, restart the Windows Security Service and test the app. If it opens, the repairs fixed underlying file issues. If not, continue to the next deeper reset step. You finish by resetting the app and verifying profiles. Go to Apps and Features, locate Windows Security, open Advanced Options, and choose Reset. This clears corrupt app data. Then create a new local administrator account and sign in to determine if the problem is profile-specific. If the app works under the new account, migrate your data. If the issue persists system-wide, use System Restore to a known good point or perform a repair install of Windows. This preserves files while replacing damaged system components. Troubleshooting tip. If updates coincide with the issue, uninstall the latest update and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.